Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Back here once again with a very exciting video, and that is because the arrival of the DJI Mavic 4. Yes, you heard that right, the Mavic 4, the next generation Mavic 3 has been confirmed, and in today's video we have all the details that you need to know. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here and want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product, whether it is the Air 3, the Inspire 3, and of course the DJI Beta. You already know this is a place to come for all of the latest updates and news. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so don't forget to go ahead and join the Drone Emotion family and help us get to that goal. So without any much further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video, which is going to be very exciting. And well, you guys have seen the release of the Mavic 3 last year. It was a good drone, but definitely it left a lot of people out there very disappointed from DJI. It was lacking a lot of things, and well, the arrival of another generation of the next iteration of the Mavic 3 was pretty much inevitable. Was it going to be a Mavic 4? Is it going to be a Mavic 3S? Mavic 3 SE? Well, unfortunately it is not going to be called the Mavic 4, but rather a different name. But it is basically going to be the next iteration of the Mavic 3, and that was just confirmed today, thanks to our great friend Deals Drone. He's a very reliable source, and he has proven so in the past with many DJI products, in one of them being the Mini 3 and the DJI Beta. And this time he confirmed that a new version of the Mavic 3 was going to be coming. So let's go ahead and take a look at his tweet. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. It says the following: you will see something like Mavic 3 SE in 2022, the best drone of 2022. So unfortunately this will not be called the Mavic 4. I would have personally liked to see this drone called the Mavic 4, but no, it looks like this will be a new generation of the Mavic 3, an upgraded version, but not a big enough upgrade to call it the Mavic 4, but rather the Mavic 3 SE. But from what we're seeing right now, and from our good friend Deal's Drone, this is going to be the best drone of this year. And if this year means the best drone, it's pretty much gonna mean the best drone we have ever seen till this day. And I am definitely quite excited to see what DJI is planning. But wow, I was pretty surprised. I was not expecting this today, but it looks like we're gonna be getting a brand new Mavic drone, not the Mavic 4, gonna be called the Mavic 3 SE. Let us know down in the comment section down below, guys, if you're excited for this drone. What would you like to see? What upgrades do you think are necessary to be made on the Mavic 3 in order to make it the greatest drone of all time? So that is what we have for all of you guys today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow in a brand new video. And remember, if you don't want to miss any updates on this brand new Mavic 3 SE, you already know what to do. Subscribe and turn on those post notifications. But that's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for watching, and see you tomorrow in a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.